Okay, we're now going to take all of our work with non-unitary x squared trinomials and put them together. So we're going to look at a mixture of examples. So plus, minus, plus and minus. Let's get straight to it and take down example 1. We're going to factorise 4x squared plus 9x plus 2. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, I'm looking for two numbers to multiply, give 8, add together to give 9, that will be 8 and 1. Okay, so plus 8 and plus 1, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, drop 4x in here and 4x in here. First bracket I can take out a highest common factor of 4, so 4 into 4x goes x, and 4 into 8 goes 2. Second bracket can't be factorised further, no highest common factor to take, final answer 4x plus 1. Okay, example 2. I'm going to factorise 2x squared minus x minus 15. Okay, 2 times minus 15 is minus 30. Okay, so the product is negative, the result of multiplying is negative, so the signs need to be different. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together to give minus 30 and add together to give, well, that number in there is minus 1. So the combinations for 30, 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Which one can be used to add together to give minus 1? And it would be the pair 5 and 6. So plus 5 minus 6, 5 times minus 6 minus 30, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Drop 2x in there and 2x in there. First bracket can't be factorised any further, but the second bracket I can take out a highest common factor of 2, 22x goes x, and 26 goes 3. Final answer 2x plus 5 bracket x minus 3. Okay, example 3. I'm going to factorise 5x squared plus 34x minus 7. Okay, so 5 times minus 7 is minus 35. The product is negative, so the signs need to be different. Okay, combinations for 35, 1 and 35, 5 and 7. Which pair can I use to add together to give 34? And that would be 1 and 35. So that's plus 35 and minus 1. Drop 5x in here and 5x in here. First bracket, from 5x plus 35, there's a common factor, highest common factor of 5. 5 into 5x goes 7x, and 5 into 35 into 5x rather goes x, and 5 into 35 goes 7. Second bracket cannot be factorised further, so that's still just 5x minus 1. Final answer x plus 7 bracket 5x minus 1. Okay, example 4. I'm going to factorise 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, the product is positive, that means the signs must be the same. But to add together to give minus 3, the signs would need to be two negatives. Okay, so combinations for 2, just one pair, that's 1 and 2. So it would be minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, and minus 1 times minus 2 is 2. Drop 2x in here and 2x in here. First bracket can't be factorised further, but I can take out a highest common factor 2 here. 22x is x, and 22 is 1. Final answer 2x minus 1 bracket x minus 1. Okay, example 5, we're going to factorise 3x squared minus 20x minus 7. Okay, 3 times minus 7 is minus 21. The product is negative, the signs are going to be different. Okay, combinations for 21, 1 and 21, 3 and 7. Which pair can I use to get minus 20? Well, it's going to be 1 and 21, so just be careful, it needs to add together to give minus 21, so it's going to be plus 1 minus 21. Drop 3x in here and 3x in here. First bracket cannot be factorised further. I can take out the highest common factor 3 here. 3 into 3x goes x, and 3 into 21 goes 7. Final answer 3x plus 1 bracket x minus 7. Okay, example 6. We're going to factorise 6x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, 6 times minus 2 is minus 12. The product is negative. The signs are going to be different. Okay, combinations for 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Which pair can be added together to give minus 1? Well, that's going to be 3 and 4. Okay, so it needs to add together to give minus 1, so it would be plus 3, minus 4. Drop 6x in here and 6x in here. Okay, first bracket, from 6 and 3 I can take a highest common factor of 3. 3 into 6x goes 2x, and 3 into 3 goes 1. From the second bracket, from 4 and 6, okay, so factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, the highest common factor therefore is 2. 2 into 6x goes 3x, and 24 goes 2. Final answer 2x plus 1 bracket 3x minus 2. Okay, example 7. Example 7, factorise 4x squared plus 8x minus 5. Okay, 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. The product is negative. The signs are going to be different. Okay, combinations for 20, 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. Which one can I organise together to give plus 8 here? Well, that's obviously going to be 2 and 10. Okay, so it's going to be plus 10 minus 2, drop 4x in here and 4x in here. Okay, first bracket, from 4 and 10 I can take a highest common factor of 2. 2 into 4x is 2x, and 2 into 10 is 5. From the second bracket, from 4 and 2 I can take a highest common factor of 2. 2 into 4x is 2x, and 2 into 2 is 1. Final answer 2x plus 5 bracket 2x minus 1. Okay, example 8. I'm going to factorise 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. Okay, 6 times minus 3 is minus 18. The product is negative. The signs are going to be different. Okay, combinations for 18, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Okay, which pair can I organise together to give plus 7? It's going to be 2 and 9, that's plus 9 and minus 2. Drop 6x in here and 6x in here. First bracket, okay, highest common factor from 6 and 9. Well, factors are 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor 9, 1, 3 and 9, highest common factor is 3. 3 into 6x is 2x, and 3 into 9 is 3. Second bracket, factors are 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors are 2, 1 and 2. The highest common factor is 2. 2 into 6x is 3x, and 22 is 1. Final answer 2x plus 3 bracket 3x minus 1.